What's going on? Welcome back. This is Nick up here at Maple Motors in Hendersonville, Tennessee, and today we're going to be doing a little walk around on a 1969 F-100. This one here's got a 302 under the hood, cold AC, power steering. Decent truck all the way around. What we like to do in this video is point out all the flaws so you know exactly what you're coming to buy before you get here. We sell cars all over the country. We also offer financing on our website. Check out maplemotors.com. We can ship these vehicles everywhere. I try to post videos every day, so hit that subscribe button if you're interested. If you like this video, also, it helps us out a lot if you share it. We're gonna get started here, right up front, get all up close and personal with this vehicle. That way I can try to catch any kind of chips and scratches. Front bumper's not in bad condition, but you can tell it's been on here a while. A little bit of oxidation popping up on it. Right behind the bumper, you can see the paint's a little scuffed up, some chips coming on, or coming out from under the paint. This side's better than the driver's side. The grill's in pretty good shape, a little faded. Some of the red paint and the emblem in the middle. Same with some of the trim. The black's kind of faded. A little bit of overspray on top of this fender where they painted the inside here. There's a chip on the hood as well. The light's got some pitting popping up on the chrome. Mirror looks like it's in good shape though. See some of the paint jobs got this spider web look to it. Little bubbles in it. Down here, some bubbles on the panel. Looks like this kind of stuff's going to be all over the truck. Just an old paint job. But I will try to pick up most of it. The sealer on the back window needs to be replaced. I don't believe it's leaking at the moment. There's a chip right here. That panel. Some chips popping up there. Rear bumper's the same way. Some pitting popping up, a little haziness. This looks like oxidation coming through on the old chrome. Dual exhaust out the back. Some rust popping through on the tailgate at the bottom of it. You see that? That's on the passenger side. Few chips, scratches. Let's get down low here. Tires are in pretty good shape. I'm going to be giving you some undercarriage shots towards the end of the video here, so be looking for that. There's some rust popping up right here on the passenger side of the truck. All right, let's go ahead and check the interior out and we'll get this thing started up. Checking out the door panel here. Weather stripping's quite old around it. A little hard. Let's look at the bottom of the door. Carpet's been in here a while. Go ahead and place your bets. Do you think the horn works on this one? Little game we like to play. The seat, it could be better. It's not in perfect condition, but it's not all tore up either. Got your gas tank behind the seat. Looks like a windshield cover visor that's in there as well. The dash is in pretty good shape. I think that's one of those caps. It is. It's one of those caps that go over the original dash. I can show you the mileage, but I can't stand behind it because this is a 69 model truck. Starts up easy. Motor's nice and quiet. AC working and it's already cold. Radio, I doubt it works. Wipers, try them out. They do work. Horn does not work. Temperature's still low on this truck, so we'll watch that gauge. Oil pressure did come up when I started. Gas gauge showing about half a tank. We'll see what it does on the test drive if it moves around. Looks like there might be something over here in the corner. As I push it, it sounds like it's clicking. That's probably your horn, and it's not working even with the button. Got a spotlight here. It is working. There's one on both sides. Let's see if both of them work. This one over here is not cutting on. It may need a new bulb. All right. The belt's a little bit squeaky up under here. Motor seems quiet. We're gonna go ahead and shut the hood down, see how it lines up. Comes down nice and easy. Shuts and locks. There's a little chip on the hood here. Some of the emblems have some pitting popping up on top of them. I'm gonna give y'all some undercarriage shots now. We're gonna look up under the front, go to the driver's side, rear, and passenger side. You can check out 100 detailed pictures at maplemotors.com. Let's look up under this one. I do appreciate y'all watching. Check out maplemotors.com for financing and shipping information. Close to 100 detailed pictures of every car and all of our inventory. If you watch every Monday, you can see everything that pops on instantly. That's as soon as we update. This last Monday, we put 16 cars on, so go check out, see what's still available. That's maplemotors.com. If you like this video, I post videos every day. Hit that subscribe button. I do appreciate y'all watching. Thanks again, guys.